So I adjusted my turnaround check to see if it is dark outside and the windows behind us, and we're getting there, but I thought it was pretty today.
It was pretty. I mean, it was
For the most
windy, but otherwise nice. Check this camera out, guys. I just want to show you this because Ryan and I were talking about, this is Sugarloaf. Okay, so it's 4:15, so this is past when the lifts would run. They usually stop at 4.
Okay.
That's so beautiful.
So pretty. There's this vibe that I get from this, like I've done a 3:35 run out, and it feels like oddly dangerous. You're like, okay, it's about to be nighttime. That's what this gives me. Like,
and it will happen very quickly.
yes, and usually there are far fewer people for the last couple of runs, and I was like such a, wow, this feels like winter. And you also can see that the snow goes all the way down to the base. The lodge is down here. So that's what we talked about yesterday, about how you would get snow all the way down, not just the highest terrain. For many of us, the story today was the wind. It wasn't as windy as it was a couple of days ago, but still gusting about 20, 25 miles an hour right now. At some point earlier in the day, it gusted to nearly 40 miles an hour, but we didn't really have any outage issues as a result. We had a couple of showers out there. We had some graupel out there too. Quickly, it's essentially a snowflake with supercooled water droplets that attach to it, and it looks a little bit like sleet. It looks a little bit like hail, but it's technically graupel. That's what we saw earlier in quite a few communities. So tonight's pretty chilly. We dropped down into the upper 20s even along the coastline, mid to upper 20s inland, and then low 20s, even some teens. You can see this model popping 19 in Rangeley. I think Berlin could get there too by early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we start with sun, but I do think we cloud out pretty quickly here from southwest to northeast during the day on Friday. So by Friday afternoon, I would imagine we're mostly cloudy. Temperatures are in the low to mid 40s. It's not that warm. In the 30s in the mountains throughout the day. And then a period of showers comes in on Friday night. This doesn't look like a huge deal. It's sped up a little bit, but it also has become lighter. So showers come through the evening hours along the coastline. And then we probably get that out of here by early in the morning on Saturday, such that we end up with a nice day on Saturday, trending towards sun in the afternoon and a chance to pop to 60 degrees or so, which is actually a pretty big number for this time of the year, pretty well above average. So I think Saturday, certainly the better of the 2 weekend days, because Sunday we cloud up really quickly and we end up with some precipitation right around sunset, it looks like on Sunday. A few showers could happen before sunset, but I think most of us it's after. And we get into some rain on Sunday night into Monday, and it looks really quite unstable into next week with a chance of rain pretty much every day, but this is the rainiest day likely on Monday, and then it's breezy again on Tuesday with some isolated showers on Wednesday. So overall, it stays pretty unsettled and cool too. That high temperature on Tuesday is dangerously close, right? It's 40, so some of us will just stay in the 30s. Be a little bit breezy with that rain event on Monday too, but breezier behind it on Tuesday. So yeah, I like Saturday. Don't let the raindrop deter you. I think it's quite early. So, I mean, you're not trying to really be outside at like 6 a.m. this time of the year anyway. So I think after that, it looks pretty good. In the middle part of the day looks good. Just keep in mind, obviously, with the sunset being as it is, when I say 60, it's probably from, 12 to 2.
Right.
It's not
We're in the summer, it's
Basically,
6 or 7 hours of nice.
Yeah, exactly. That's just kind of how it rolls this time of year.
All right, Keith, thank you.